everyone, I'm Kicha. I cook, I eat, and I'm hungry for more. Welcome to KichaTube HD. Today we're gonna make idli upma, one of the best and tastiest ways to use leftover idlis. So let's dig right in. I can't wait to have these amazing idlis. First, you have to crush the leftover idlis. As you can see, I have some leftover idlis I have 4 idlis, leftover idlis here. I'm going to crumble it. As you can see, just crumble. Crumble it. Let's add mustard seeds. Added URAD dal. Next we'll add dry chilies. Let's add onions. Next, add curry leaves. Add ginger. Chopped green chilies. Tomatoes, saute for a while, salt, and my secret ingredient, SAMBAR powder. It gives it more taste and smell. And next we add the crushed idlis. Finally, let's garnish it with coriander leaves. And our idli upma is ready. Now let's serve. Thank you for watching KichaTube HD. Don't forget to subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to KichaTube. Bye! Mwah.